Okay, Happy New Year, everybody. This is James, and guess where we are? Here it is, New Year's Eve 2020. Won't be that much longer, about 5, 6, 7, 8 more minutes, and we're going to be watching fireworks. Where are they going to have fireworks? Like, where's all the people? We're out here in the middle of nowhere, because we know how to get right next to the fireworks, don't we? Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to show you guys the spot to watch fireworks. This is the Provo Town Center, but it's not where all the action is. Well, actually, it is where the action is, isn't it, James? The real action, the fireworks. So we're going to turn this around, and there we go. There's the parking lot, empty. Look, this is the back part of the mall. Everyone's on the front side to watch the fireworks, but look, see them right out there in that parking lot? That's right where the fireworks are going to launch off, and here, we're right behind. What does this say? Do not enter. So it's pretty much as close as you can get to watch these fireworks. Isn't that great, James? That's just how it is. Yep. Okay, you guys. So that's our oh, there's James. That's our little bit of information for the fireworks. Okay, enjoy. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 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 what do you think of that, James? Whoa, whoa, look at that. Whoa, whoa, look at that. Whoa. 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 Oh my gosh. Sparkly. Whoa.
Kind of blowing this way, so it's kind of walk that way.
Oh yeah, okay, we'll walk over that way. Okay.
Totally cool.
Yeah.
Making it this way.
Right, good idea.
Thanks.
Look at that. Oh. Whoa!
That was too close.
We would have been massacred. Boy, those fireworks are kind of coming low. Oh, wow. What do you think of that, huh?
Hopefully they do like ones that are shaped.
Ones that are what?
I like the ones that are like shape into stuff.
Oh yeah, they'll put those. Okay, we're gonna come back.
That was a shaped one. They had a horn there. Isn't that crazy?
Okay, you guys, that was the fireworks. Say goodbye, everyone. Happy New Year! Oh, we gotta do it from up above. Happy New Year!